In this video, I will take an in-depth look at the TCL C8L and find out if this television truly delivers on its promise of premium performance at a competitive price point. When you first set eyes on the C8L, it is clear that TCL focused heavily on aesthetics because the ultra-slim bezel and metallic finish give it a high-end appearance that fits perfectly in any modern living room. The centerpiece of this experience is the stunning display, which utilizes advanced mini-LED technology to provide incredible brightness and deep contrast. While watching movies, you will notice how the local dimming zones work effectively to minimize blooming and keep dark scenes looking rich and detailed. Motion remains fluid during fast action sequences thanks to the high refresh rate, making it an excellent choice for sports fans and movie buffs alike. Gamers have plenty to be excited about as well because this model includes dedicated features like low input lag and support for the latest console technologies. The integrated sound system is surprisingly robust, offering clear dialogue and a decent amount of bass without needing an immediate soundbar upgrade. Navigating the smart interface feels snappy and intuitive, putting all your favorite streaming apps just a click away.